Now, if you go ahead and access Clash Royale on your mobile device, ensure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. If not, just simply go to Google Play Store or where you have downloaded the app and just hit on Update. Once everything is updated, just simply access the game and make sure that you're logged into your Supercell ID. Now, redemption of promo codes in Clash Royale, there is actually no immediate button just to simply press on that and typing in your code and you're good to go. It's not how that works on Clash Royale or any other games. So what you want to do from here is just go ahead straight to Clash Royale shop, for example this one. Now, redemption of promo codes on Clash Royale may not be available for all the products that you will be purchasing on Clash Royale, but if that specific product is available for promo codes redemption, then you should be able to see redeem code at the last portion of your payment method. If not, you didn't. Just look for another product that you would like to purchase till you find that option that says redeem code. So that's it. That's how you redeem a code in Clash Royale. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.